Hey guys, good morning. So I covered a bit of this at the end of the general market overview, but I'll go over it again for this video. So it is Tuesday, the 5th of November. It is now 10 past 8 in European time, which is 10 past 7 in UK time. We've had we kind of wanted this scenario where the monthly pulls up and gets above the 6 monthly. Sorry, the 3 monthly, isn't it, that one? Yep, 3 monthly. We wanted kind of the monthly to pull around and get above that 3 monthly and then pull that 3 monthly up over the next few months. But to do that, we needed the weekly to keep pushing, get above the monthly, pull back and retest, and get going and pull everything up. We seem to be rolling over at the moment, which you can see over here. It was like rolling over here, but we turned into a buy again. So let's see what happens today. Today is a big day. US elections. Um, Favorable news for the crypto guys, I suppose, if Donald Trump wins. Um, yeah, so let's see how that goes because it could change everything. So over here we've had on the daily, we had the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day make these pushes high, and then the 2 and 3 kind of 2 day didn't get there. We had divergence on the 1 day, which is where we've had a sell off, and then the 3 day like had that big push. So there was energy in this move, but for some reason the 2 day and 1 day didn't really get up there. So this is something we can maybe take some light from or some enthusiasm from. Pushing a push. We've just got like lots of little levels here, haven't we, to get through, which could be smashed today if we start getting, if the elections go in crypto's way, we could just smash through levels, to be honest with you. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're below the weekly on most of those. Um, yeah, we really need, you can see this at the moment. So it's closed below the 30 there on the 4th. So that would have been, yep, yesterday the 4th, it closed below. And then since like 2 a.m., oh, that video has just done the market overview. If we can close above, we might start turning some of these around. The 2 days train, 3 day is pointing down at the moment, but that won't be updated unless we go onto a 3 day chart, which I can do. Oh, if we go to the 3 day chart there, we'll get an updated view on that. So that's the 1, 2, and 3. Right, you're not coming or ah, because one of them's going to be the current, isn't it? So that's the chart. So that green one, no, the green one needs to be 1 day. Yep. Okay, so that's correct. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Um, yeah, the 3 day were above the 90 day. Yeah, that'd be 3 days. That'd be the 30 moving average. It would be 30, 60, 90. So that's like the 3 month moving average, isn't it? We're finding a bit of support there. Anyway, let's not confuse you guys. Let's go back to this. So basically, we need a bit more energy here, some kind of reversal. Yeah, it looks bearish. So I'm expecting people to be placing shorts. People will be placing shorts below here now and placing the stops there. So maybe we could have another run on that and then a V reversal. We'll see. Um, and what? Yeah, the 1 hour over here. So bearish, 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 like push lower lows, lower lows. And then over here, we're grinding on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. We're grinding higher. The daily, we're like bearish. But this could then, when we like roll up, 8 hour is a push and a push, kind of a true wave. So question marks over those, but the lower time frames look good for the bounce. So we need to start closing above here, the moving averages, the 14s and stuff on the 4 hour, and then like find some support and then get going again, which will then pull this up. And then that could mean the whole landscape changes, which also can hinge on the news today. So looking over here, where do we have strength? Well, it's in Bitcoin at the moment. Everything else is like looking pretty weak on the daily. Yeah, so Bitcoin just turned into a bit of a buy there. it'll be interesting to see new money coming in. So if the total market cap's going to go up and all these other coins are like going sideways, it means it's all going to start flowing into Bitcoin, isn't it? Let's have a look at the weekly. So for a start off, the weekly over here, we are sell on the weekly, but this could soon do a V reversal. Um, yeah, Bitcoin, Solana maybe. Is that Solana? Or is that? Yeah, it's about BNB. Yeah. Okay. So weekly borderline. Who looks good on the weekly here? Um, Quant could get going. Not yet though. We're not confirmed there. So this is a weekly, bearing in mind. So pushing here on Bitcoin could roll over, or we could go parabolic. Anything looking good for a buy? No, sell, mixed, mix, sell, sell, rolling, sell, sell, rolling, sell. This has been interesting to watch if we can really start getting some momentum on XRP and Quant. Sell on Link, sell on Band. Yeah, everything else pretty naff on the weekly. So then if we go down to the daily, mixed bag on Bitcoin, Ethereum, mixed, 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 buy on XRP. Um, Buy on XRP, where's that? She's there. She's coming up to the zero line, but not crossed yet. So let's keep an eye on that one. Sell, rolling into a buy maybe, rolling into a buy maybe, mix, rolling into a buy maybe, rolling into a buy maybe. So even these dailies here, if we get positive results on the crypto side of things, we could really get going. Um, Okay, dropping down to the 4 hour. XRP. Okay, interesting. Yeah, and she's held really well there, and she's a buy. So on the 4 hour, we're looking like a buy. On the daily, we're still a sell. So this divergence here, XRP is a true wave actually. High, high, high. And this one is a high, high, high. So it's a true wave and grinding higher. So at the moment, 4 hour XRP is looking like it is the best there. But then she's looking like she's into a pullback, maybe against other cryptos, but still bullish. Link turning into a buy on the 4 hour, band buy. Yeah, Quant struggling. Yeah, yeah, mixed bag. Neo might have a go. Solana looks like she could go. Sell. Comp. Atom, sorry, that's comp. Is a sell. Atom is a buy. Lend trying to make a push of it. So maybe good to search for longs. The dailies mixed bag, aren't they? So let's watch for XRP really making a move for it. XRP's outperformed everything else because everything else has had a really strong sell-off, while XRP's kind of held its price. Every dip in price, maybe someone knows something maybe about the news and uh, the court decisions to be made. I'm sure people know what's going on, so people are just buying it on the back scene. Divergence here, yes. Neo could look good on the daily. Yeah, Atom, and then Atom on the 4 hour. So Atom looks pretty good, doesn't it? Um, yeah, watch for a few of these turning around on the daily. That's what I'd say. Um, and then over to the Doge, over to the movers. So on the daily, we've got the strength here on Doge still. We've had it all across here. It's just basically by the dips. Um, and then we've got Solana, AVAX, mix. It's on the daily, yep. Nia's turning into a buy. But then it's like huge strength on the sell side on relative price, so we're not interested in that yet. Dot could be turning into a buy. Tau, Cass is a bit messy. GRT looks like it could turn into a buy. Inge could turn into a buy. Um, Fetch and Render could turn into buys. Sui looks like it's going to have another push. Pepe looks like it might start turning into a buy. Doge is already a buy, but might start seeing this divergence play out because it's kind of held quite well. So then when everything else takes off, people might think Doge has already had a quite good run and not want to risk trading that and turning into a buy on the dogs, really. So Doge, Floki, Shiba, and Floki. Floki could start rolling. So this is the daily. We're not confirmed yet. What we can do then is look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is good on Doge again. Good. Yeah, buy signals really across the board, isn't it? So where are we? Solana's looking to buy. Um, Sell. Mixed bag. Bit of a buy. Rolling into a buy on CAS, but not really, really good. GRT's a nice buy there. Um, yeah, these is you can see Link there. It's a buy against Link for a long time because Link pulled back $2, I think, this week. So Inge, Render, and Fetch looking good on the 4 hour. The strength not completely passed over yet, so be very careful taking trades. Sui's a buy, yep. And then Pepe's grinding, trying to make a move for it. They had, Pepe and Floki have a little pot of those together, and they've performed. They dropped about, yeah, they dropped quite about 15% or something, or 10% the last week or so. Turning into a buy. Doge is turning into a buy and got good strength against these here, so could keep going. And then Pepe. So yeah, so a difficult one. I mean, we are just on the cusp of news articles. I'm going to say be careful. There's definitely trades out there today, but again, yeah, you just trail it. And if you're going to use stops, be careful of the news because you'll probably get stopped out, and then it'll go off in your direction. So I mean, I just maybe wait for some breakout and a confirmation first, and then yeah, get trading. Okay, guys, I'll leave you with that one. Keep safe. Any questions, please drop them in the comments, like and subscribe and all that. And yeah, if you, like I say, any questions, please, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, again, keep safe.